O, diba? Lundag-lundag. Pawisan na ka na yan. Pawisan ka na. O, okay na. That's all. That's all na. That's all. Nice exercise, Just Bong. I saw. You know what, Just Bong, you made also a screencast and then you're dancing, dancing, I will put a picture on this. Yes, put picture like my my ninjas. I have a lots of ninjas. I put profile pics. Yes. How did you eat the lady's fingers down like that? Very simple. You can do it also. You can do it. Ayan. Sana ba na ako dito? Meron na ako matapos ito. Sino to? Kay Sis Ogang? Ha? Igsuon na mawi. Iway ka na yung kamukha ni Luloy. Naaana po. Diba nawa? Ano ito dyan? Ayun, nalubot naman sa dili. Oh. Tapos na ako kay Sis Ogang. Kili-kili power. Walang galing naman. Ha? Nay, dili.
Luloy.
Oo, masada.
Ang katong isa.
Yung kay kamukha. Kamukha.
Kamukha ni Luloy.
Mo na. Magbakas muna tayo kay Sis Ogang. Wow. Baka to Manila na sa alahan po. Manila na sila.
Sinaway mananay na. Nanapod balik.
Galing naman ni Sis Ogang. Yan palang sekreto mo, Sis Ogang. Tamad mo na ako, Sis Ogang, maganyan. Sis Ogang, scrub na. Bumili siya kay kay Rosmar.
Kanang ko.
Scrub. Sis Ogang, full watch na. Kili-kili power ni Sis Ogang, full watch. Pero meron siyang upcoming. Ito ang ating bababa, upcoming niya. Then, full watch na sa Kili-kili ka power. Kelly power! Kelly power!
Jesus Bong.
Ay. All right. Yes, Yahoo. Thank you so much. Just bomb. You are the next. I'm going to to visit Just bomb. Just bomb. All my ninjas. Just bomb. I put profile pictures. Mystery Woman, Shaina Lopez. Yeah, wow. Congrats, Jos. My main account, yes. Sa konti na lang niya. Sa alin? Yahoo. Ay, 1K? 1K na? Just Bong. Wow, congrats. Congrats. Tell me, who to connect? Okay, I am a banana for you now. Wow. Josh Bong. Josh Bong, where is your main? Josh? What's the main channel? Josh Bong. If I search Josh Bong, I will not search it. What's the correct? Josh Energetic? Energetic Josh? Because I try to search the Josh Bong. It's I did not search it. Energetic. Allah, why I cannot search your name, Josh? Why? Josh Bong. What? You drop, but I cannot, it's not highlighted. What's the name? Because if every time I search